Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2014 through 2022 and likely beyond Land Rover Range Rover Sport with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these brackets and base pads have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet, which helps with the installation. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. So this is the Evo Flush Rail foot. I'll remove the outer cover, and within the foot you see there's a threaded post there. Now, these components not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters. So the letters help in installation in the correct order. So the inner bracket here has the letter A, so that is installed first right over that threaded post. And then the base pad has the letter B, and that is installed next. So we just press that to the underside. And then C is the outer portion of the bracket. And then we can go ahead and begin fastening that down with a few turns of the barrel fastener to hold those parts in place. So the next step is to install this onto the load bar. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This is a section that we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar. That track is accessed by opening the end cap, and then you can slide in the approved hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber so that you can attach certain carriers and accessories directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of connection. So I'll go ahead and take off this end cap. Now with that end cap removed, you can see here we have on the underside a slot, and then within that slot we have this plastic piece with measuring numbers, and those numbers can help you to center your load bars on your vehicle. However, those numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet, so that is a manual step. Now when we install the foot onto the bar, it just slides into that slot. At this step, it's important to install the end cap. With that end cap installed, that prevents the foot from slipping off the end of the bar when you're maneuvering this around the vehicle during the installation on the roof. Okay, and then you'll also notice you have an area on the underside of the bar that's exposed. You can go ahead and fill that in with rubber that's included, and that'll help maintain your good aerodynamics on the underside of the bar. Okay, and then when it comes time to tightening this onto the side rail of the vehicle, Thule's provided a tool, and this tool is used to tighten that barrel fastener. Generally, you tighten 50% on one side and then 50% on the other side, and then back and forth equally. And you continue to tighten, and as you're tightening, it's not only tightening to the side rail, but it's also tightening to the load bar as well simultaneously. Now this handle has a unique clutch mechanism that will click, and that indicates that you've reached full tightness. Okay, then we can go ahead and put that outer cover back into place with a snap, and there's a plastic plug. Give that a 1/4 turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to purchase separately a set of 4 of these metal lock cylinders so that all 4 of your feet would be locked to the rooftop. You can also buy these lock cylinders in larger sets so that not only your roof rack, but also other accessories that are part of Thule's one-key system can all be key matched. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2014 through 2022 and possibly beyond Range Rover Sport with flush side rails. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for your buying options. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Also, consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel, and we upload new videos weekly. Thanks for watching.